When customers trust my advice on what meat to get and tips and tricks to get the most potential out of what they're buying, I'm there with them in the kitchen creating something and discovering something new. At the end of the day, it's also going to be a fabulous meal. It's Adam here from Surf Coast Quality Meats. Today we're going to be using the Matador Charcoal Spit Roaster to do the iconic Lamb Gyros. First things first, let's fire up the spit roaster by prepping our coal and setting some heat beads going. Today we're going to be using a combination of lumpwood charcoal and heat beads. Now it's time to prep our meat. So here we have some lovely selections of lamb shoulder. Takes the flavour really well. All this fat will render down. It'll leave its flavour, it'll go nice and crispy. This is the perfect size and thickness. It's got enough length to hit the spikes. Whether you season it or whether you like it a la natural, it'll be fantastic. Time to thread the meat onto this beauty. Last thing you want is your spikes slipping on the spin. Once we've threaded it, we can always adjust it. Now it's time to thread. Now we want to aim for the spikes. It's not an exact science. If you get a few daggy bits, just fold them back over. It's relatively even, but even its imperfections are perfect. This amount of meat would easily cater for 8 or 10 people. Matador do a great souvlaki rub. We're going to take ours to the next level by adding a bit of extra garlic. Can't have too much garlic in life. Fresh rosemary, the lemon, and some natural Greek yogurt. Lamb, fire, family, it all goes together so well. Any citrus helps break down the fibre, but it's also going to help those flavours penetrate into the lamb. Ooh, look at the colour and the garlic. Once a bit of heat gets into this, it's just going to smell fantastic. We're just going to skewer a lemon in between. It's going to add a lovely flavour to the lamb that it touches. Skewered it, folded it, and then folded it again. It's organised chaos. This is going to drive the neighbours insane. So I'm just manoeuvring some of the heat beads around. You can easily raise or lower the cradle to suit our cooking height. That's ready to get this bad boy on. Flavour is king with charcoal. It's cooking with the senses really, because you've got the aroma of the meat's cooking. You've got the visual bubbling and crackling. It's all about the spin. It's fantastic. An excellent feature about the Matador grill is this wind protector. It's fantastic. We're just getting a little bit more reflective heat onto our meal here and to the gyros. The lamb's cooked, now it's time to carve the lamb. We just want to get the nice crusty cooked parts of the gyros off the rod, which will help even out the cook. So now that our lamb is cooked, we'll be making a lovely gyros pita. And for that, I will be starting off with some natural Greek yogurt, then some cos lettuce, some slices of Roma tomato, and now the hero, the lamb. Some feta, keeping it Greek, spritz of lemon, and a dash of olive oil. And there you go, a beautiful Greek gyros, ready for your next gathering with family and friends, maybe even down the beach.